how to download Hamster Kombat application. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to download and access the Hamster Kombat app and start earning online? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to install Hamster Kombat application. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for Hamster Kombat. All the apps showing in the search results are fake. Please don't install any of them. Let's learn the genuine way to download and access Hamster Kombat. For that, you will need to have Telegram installed on your device. If not, watch my tutorial video on how to download and install Telegram. The link is given in the card section and description. Once installed, open Telegram on your device. I am already logged in and directed to the home page. If you have not logged in, then log in or sign up a new account. Once you are in this page, tap on the search bar. Search for Hamster Kombat. You will see a verified bot named as Hamster Kombat. Tap on it, then click on the Start button. Now you are all set to access Hamster Kombat. Tap on the option for Play in one click. A pop-up will appear asking permission to launch the web app. Tap Start. As you can see, the Hamster Kombat web app has successfully loaded and you can start using it. Click on the Next button at the bottom right corner to see all the beginner-friendly instructions. At the very last instruction, you will see the option for play. Tap on it, then tap on the blue button showing on your screen to receive a gift of 100 coins. Once you do it, you will land on the Action section. Tap on the rat-like image to earn a coin per single tap. At the bottom, you will see a few more sections. Let's switch to Mine section. From here, you can buy various upgrades to boost your profit per hour to earn more coins. Here is also a Friend section. Let's switch to it. From here, you can invite your friends to this web app of Hamster Kombat to earn more coins. Another section is On. Let's switch to it. From here, you will find various tasks to perform. If you perform the tasks correctly and successfully, then it will help you earn more coins. The final section is Airdrop. From here, you can connect your Tone wallet and withdraw your respective earnings made through Hamster Kombat web app. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and access the Hamster Kombat application. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.